Hey guys, my name is Marco, and today we'll be going over how to dance at a Zabava. Now, a Zabava is basically a party with a live band and dancing. In this video, I'll go over two styles of dancing most commonly seen at a Zabava, a waltz and a polka. Let's begin. As a general rule of thumb, when the band plays a slow song, it's usually a waltz, whereas when the band plays a fast song, it's usually a polka. Another way to look at the difference between the two is when you're moving from side to side while dancing. In a waltz, you'll usually change positions every 3 beats. So you have pa 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 pa. Whereas in a polka, it'll be every 4 beats. Ita 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 ita. Now, since you can recognize the difference between a waltz and a polka, let's talk about footwork. Now keep in mind, footwork is very important, so pay close attention.
For the waltz, you'll push off on the first beat and land on the second beat, and bring in the other foot on the third beat. And repeat. You push off on the first beat and land on the second beat, and bring in the other foot on the third beat. So altogether, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For the polka, you land on the first beat, bring in your other foot on the second beat, step on your first foot on the third beat, and hold that position for the fourth beat, and repeat. You land on the first beat, bring in your other foot on the second beat, step on your first foot on the third beat, and hold that position for the fourth beat. Altogether, it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, when you're dancing with your partner, you can simply start out by going left to right, and dance in place. However, if you'd like to move beyond that and start rotating as a couple or moving around the dance floor, all you have to do is you're going to adjust the position of your lead foot either closer or further away from your partner.
Now it's time to partner up. The man places his right hand in the middle of the woman's back, and the woman places her left arm on the man's shoulder. To maneuver properly, you don't want to stand too close to one another, and you don't want to stand too far away either. Here's the waltz. And here is the polka.
Now, remembering the things I talked about in this video and a little bit of practice, you'll be ready to dance at a Zabava in no time. That being said, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys out on the dance floor.